Hello everyone and welcome on this new silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Sela speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm very proud about last silver signal. The market has indeed reversed exactly at the sell point at 32.825, respecting the key level of a resistance, and indeed went in the take profit level, making over 130 pips of profit. Congratulations for those who have taken this signal. And please, if you guys took this signal and made profits, please share in the comments. Let everybody to know the quality of Xtreme Trader signals, because when we have, of course, a new viewers on the channel, the first thing they will check is the comments. They want to know if this guy has any followers base. They want to know, okay, shall we take this guy's signals? Let's check the comments. When they see no comments at all, they will think, oh, he's bad. Let's not take his signals. Anyway, thank you in advance if you guys gonna make any comments. And now let's begin analyzing the silver. And here is, of course, the weekly chart. So judging from the weekly chart, we can see here, of course, a very clear and strong bearish movement happening. Why? First of all, the silver has indeed made here a strong key level of a resistance at 32.493. However, with the last price action over the last 3 weeks and the actual bearish breakout from that level of a resistance, which means the market has actually failed to create a single attempt of a support on this level. That tells us that the silver most likely right now is going to be in a bearish fall. Not only that, but even here on the weekly chart, if we check out the candles, check this out. So right here, of course, we had a support, a trend line, which actually has been formed back in August 2024, and then again September and October. Then finally we had here the bearish breakout from that level. So now that means, since actually, let me just tell you something. When the market actually, my friends, forms here a support trend line on upper trend and faces here an actual bearish breakout from the support trend line, usually what happens is that the market will continue to fall till it reaches Fibonacci 61.8, and after that it will start the rise to retest the broken level of the support trend line to create here a new resistance trend line. So let's apply the same method right here. So of course, here is the support trend line, as you can see, and let me just now apply the Fibonacci retracement. Check this out. So let me just make it accurate. Oops, 1 second. Exactly. Now that tells us that the silver actually has a chance to continue the fall till it reaches Fibonacci 61.8, which was also in the past a previous level of a resistance. Now that will be our take profit level, because we will continue selling the silver to another 100 pips before we can start buying exactly at Fibonacci 61.8. But again, it all depends on the price action. So until then, until the market reaches Fibonacci 61.8, we'll actually sell the silver. So weekly chart has actually confirmed the direction to be bearish. Let's now move to the daily chart. Now here on daily chart, again, we can see the rejection, or actually how the market actually has been declined from any bullish breakout above the resistance right here, where we actually have sold the silver. No, actually not here, sorry. We sold the silver right here, I think, yes. However, now what happened is that the silver has indeed been rejected from the bullish breakout from the resistance right here at 32 exactly, 32.000. So that tells us again that the market is still facing here a strong bearish movement. Now let's actually, what I did right now is simply, we have determined the direction based on weekly and daily chart. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame or even 1-hour time frame to find the entry. Where exactly we can sell, because of course we cannot sell right now. The market is actually on a support zone right here. So selling right away is gonna be not smart. Let's now see the 4-hour time frame to identify our entry. Now actually the 4-hour time frame is not really cutting it. I would like to have actually even more analysis on it, or actually deeper. So let's now go to the 1-hour time frame. There it is. Now on the 1-hour time frame, we have here something very interesting. Check this out. So now we have here a key level of a resistance. Check this out. This was, of course, a broken level of the support. Then we had here a fake breakout from that level. Then another fake breakout, of course, because we are actually on a downtrend and the bearish movement is strong. Pay attention. Here we have a resistance, a real level of a resistance. And in the middle, we have here one fake breakout. So that tells us that the silver has a good chance to continue the rise till it reaches the exact same level of a real resistance. And afterward, we can start shorting it. Not only that, by looking here also at the 1-hour time frame, we can see here clearly also a broken level of a support trend line. So here, of course, we had the bearish breakout from that support trend line. So if the silver will continue the rise, it will not only face the horizontal level of a resistance right here, but also retesting the broken level of a support trend line to create here a new resistance trend line. That's going to be awesome. So then we can start hopefully selling the silver exactly at this point. And guess what? Just to make it even more accurate and good analysis, and hopefully it's going to be a good one, check this out. So here, of course, we had another resistance trend line, which has been respected over the time. So if the silver will continue the rise, now we have a third pressure on it from the resistance trend line right here. Is going to add more pressure on the pair, and most likely it will continue the fall. So from technical view, this looks solid, and hopefully it's going to be a good signal. And in this scenario, our safe zone, my friends, should not be ranging higher than the previous key level of a resistance at 32.061, and we will be shorting exactly from 31.574. Now back to the 4-hour time frame to identify our take profit level, which shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support right here exactly at 30.451, expecting around 110 pips of profit with this signal. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the silver. I really hope it's going to work well, and hopefully it's going to give us a lot of profits. Of course, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. If I noticed any strong bullish movement above our signal, I will notify you right here on my channel to close the signal, either in a small loss or a small profit, just to make sure that we are trading together. So stay connected to Xtreme Trader. This is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals. Make sure to join it, and you can find also the link in the description below of this video to join directly without any hesitation. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.